Hi, I'm a blogger and I get packages in the mail all the time. Want to open this one with me and see what it is? It's like bigger than a bread. I don't even know, like, do they still make bread boxes? All right. This is the thing about being a blogger. No shit, this is just a container full of deodorant. Goes on clear, stays clear, which I mean, we're gonna try out here in a second. See, I can't use rollerball deodorant because I want to lick it. Ban. I mean, I don't even know the last time. Is Ban still a brand? I mean, I guess it is. They mailed me this. Ready? You want to see it? Oh, there it is. Ooh. All right, let's put it on, shall we? I mean, I don't know how I feel about, like, it's wet, but it's clear, like, right? I mean, I'm wearing a white, like a black sweater, so. There it is, right on my sweater. See, that's not very clear, but okay, but like, what about like, yeah, we rub it in, right? Feels pretty good. I feel like I could do some stuff in this deodorant. Ban the invisible roll-on.